Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Ashley Marie. I specialize in vintage makeup, hair, and fashion, and I like to dive into a little bit of modern stuff as well. Be sure to click that subscribe button and that bell notification to be notified when I upload videos. Okay dolls, so today I have this fun 60s modern Twiggy look. There's like this trend going around on TikTok where everybody's doing 60s makeup, and I was like, that is my jam. I am all about big hair and lots of it. All right, dolls, now we are going to get into this big, voluminous 60s hair tutorial and Twiggy modern makeup. Let's go, dolls. Okay, dolls, so to first get started, I'm taking my VP Fashion DIY hair extensions and then my 5-in-1 Bombay hair curling wand set. I've had this forever and I love curling these extensions with this wand. So I'm just going to start curling each small section of these extensions. You know, you can pop these in after you've teased and then curl, but for me, it's just easier doing it this way. I feel like curling the extensions off of your head just comes out a lot better. So this comes with 2 4-clip wefts, 2 3-clip wefts, and then you have 3 smaller wefts. So once you're done, it should look something like this. And then I'm going to start curling my hair as well. Now I'm just taking larger sections, not my normal 1-inch sections. And this is just so we can get some wave and curl in our hair. And I always like to start at the bottom and then part at the sides and then make my way to the back. And here we're going to curl all the way forward. And then you should have something like this. So we're going to let that set and then start working on our makeup. Here I'm taking my Huda Beauty Water Jelly Hydrating, sorry, I am getting all tongue twisted, Water Jelly Hydrating Primer. And then my Stay Naked Correcting Concealer from Urban Decay. And then this is the Stay Naked Foundation in 41 NN mixed with 40 NN. Now I'm taking my all-nighter setting spray and spraying that on top of my foundation and then blending it out. This was a trick I found on TikTok and it actually does work wonders for my foundation, so I love doing that. Now I know it looks too light for my face, but it does oxidize, so it will blend in later. Here I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder and applying that all over my face to set that foundation. Using my Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Gel, applying that over my eyebrows. And then this is an eyebrow pencil that I had. I honestly cannot remember what the brand name is, but I did buy it at Ulta Beauty and it's a medium brown. And I'm just going to start shaping my eyebrows and then shading those in. Next, I'm taking my Carity Pre Shadow Eye Primer and applying that just on my lid and then kind of flaring that out. Here I'm taking Melodrama, and this is from Milani Cosmetics, and I did blend that with a white eyeshadow. The white eyeshadow didn't have a name, so just get any white eyeshadow and blend it with that just to lighten that lavender up a little bit. Then I'm taking my NYX Cosmetics Matte Liquid Liner and I'm going to start outlining that eyeshadow. This is going to be slightly above my crease. And then I just like to swoop it down a little bit. And this is what you should have. Now going to my top liner, I am adding a little bit at the inner corner, and normally I like to wing out my liner, but we're not going to do that this time. We're just going to add a slight little tiny wing at the end. And then taking my Pixie Beauty mascara and applying that. Now I'm taking my Miss Lashes M102B lashes. I love these, especially for like a twiggy look. Here I'm taking a white eyeliner and applying that on my waterline. And then taking my this eyeliner as well and creating some fake lashes. You don't have to go too crazy. You can make them dramatic, but I'm not. And then I'm going to apply some mascara over that. Next, I'm taking my Urban Decay Stay Naked Threesome Blush and Bronzer palette and applying the bronzer and then going in with that blush. And then using that highlight on the same palette. Here I'm taking Huda Beauty's lip liner in Rusty Rose and just outlining my lips. And then I'm taking this Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Angel, and this is what we have for makeup. So now, after our hair is cooled and our makeup is done, I'm going to unpin my hair and then start teasing the crap out of it. So once I tease the first section, I'm going to take a 4-clip weft and apply that. And then I'm going to tease that weft. And you want to go crazy on this. So tease, tease, tease like crazy. And then unpin your second row of hair. And then you're going to apply your 2 3-clip wefts. And you are going to, once again, tease, 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 and then unpin a section of your hair to cover that, and tease, tease, tease. So you should have something like this. I mean, there's just so much volume. So once you're done, then you're going to take your 4-clip weft and then tease, tease, tease. Once again, you want to make sure that the weft isn't too high up because then you're going to have a difficult time hiding it. So now I'm taking my own hair and just teasing that a lot. And we're going to use the rest of these sections to cover up the extensions. And then I'm smoothing it out along the way. So here I'm just going to grab some front sections on the right and left side. And then I'm taking my last single clip wefts. There are 3 of these, and applying these here because this is going to be our little ponytail. And then pulling all those sections together and using a rubber band. And then I'm going to tease this again. This is what's really going to give that high volume. So go crazy. Tease, tease, tease. And then I'm just going to smooth it out. And this last section, I'm going to wrap around the rubber band so you don't have that ugly black thing, that black rubber band right there. And now I'm smoothing everything out. And voila, big hair. Look at all that volume. I love it. So here is the final look, my loves. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what tutorial you'd like me to do next. I love you, dolls, and I will see you soon. Bye, loves.